Picture this. You've got the perfect product, but every time you try to create an ad, you're stuck for hours wrestling with editing software or hiring expensive agencies. What if I told you your next viral product ad could be made in just 2 minutes? No editing, no expensive team, just you, an idea, and AI. Today, I'll show you step by step how to make 2 ready-to-post product ads in under 4 minutes with Hypernatural.ai. Let's dive in. Let me sign into Hypernatural.ai and show you exactly how this works. Here's the game changer. Upload your product images, library or clips, choose a style from different options, and let AI do the rest. Captions, B-roll, voiceover, all in about 2 minutes. Let's prove it works with 2 completely different products. First up, this soy-scented candle. Upload a few product images of the candle. I'm uploading these product shots, and now I'm choosing this photographic style because I want that cozy home aesthetic. Select length short that will generate less than 60-second video. Select the ratio. Now I'll tell Hypernatural this is a showcase soy candle that creates a cozy atmosphere, relieves stress, and let it work its magic. Hypernatural is generating script. Here, you can change the voice, change the character, or even edit the script as per your choice. Click Make Video. Here is the editing timeline. In the left bar, you will find different options to edit your video. I didn't touch a single editing tool, and this is ready to post right now. Just export it as 1080p resolution. Look what just happened.
Anna is overwhelmed by her workload. She needs a way to unwind and find peace. Suddenly, a gentle aroma begins to fill the room. From soothing lavender to sweet vanilla, candle's gentle scent helps melt away her stress.
Hypernatural created animated product shots with that smooth Ken Burns effect, generated branded captions in auto-matched colors that perfectly complement the candle. Now let's go completely different. This LED ring light needs fun, viral TikTok energy. I'm uploading this clip showing the ring light in action, and now I'm adding this playful script. Your selfies are looking rough. This ring light just turned you into a professional influencer. I'm choosing this style template to match that viral energy. It is ready now. Here, dozens of caption styles, title logo, brand-matched color schemes, characters, stock library, generated image and video, audio and GIFs. Everything automatically adapts to your brand. Watch this.
The ultimate TikTok tool has arrived. The lighting is everything, Creator 1 exclaimed enthusiastically. My selfies have never looked better, Creator 2 said with a smile. Vivid, professional lighting, right at your fingertips. Dial in your perfect vibe. From warm sunset hues to cool daylight brilliance. Total control. Adjust brightness, color, and more with ease.
This is exactly what goes viral on TikTok Shop. Fun, engaging, and tells the product story in seconds. Again, zero editing from me, and it's ready to upload immediately. You can add GIF overlays for humor and matched everything with engaging background music plus smooth transitions. Here's what makes Hypernatural incredibly powerful for marketers. Let's check the consistent characters. You can design or reuse characters across all your ads for brand consistency. Here to create a new character. Just give the name and short bio and upload an image. I am skipping this step. Steven is a friendly man 30s with a warm smile and casual style. Then click Generate. Here your character Steven is ready. Now you can use him in any video. You can use custom style the same way. Here you will get photographic, sci-fi, 3D animation, anime, and fantasy. Just create your own style here. This isn't just about ads, it's about telling your product's story. Instantly, every video becomes a mini story that connects with your audience. Think about the transformation. Save time and cost versus traditional editing. No more hiring agencies or spending days learning software. Create 10 times more video content for brand awareness. Test different angles, styles, and messages instantly. Perfect for TikTok shops, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. Look at this before and after. Raw product images on the left, polished Hypernatural ads on the right. The difference is incredible. Let me recap what just happened. 2 polished ads, made in minutes, 0 editing required. Hypernatural offers a free trial where you can make up to 5 fully styled videos right now without any watermark. And there's a custom link in my description. Click the link in my bio, try it today, and start making viral product videos that actually sell. Let me know in the comments what kind of ad you created. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Until next time, happy creating!